Welcome to the Success Strides Show. Your likes, comments, and subscriptions are appreciated as you join the Success family. I'm Anita Parker, and the positive response to my first presentation has earned me more time on the show. Please hit the like button again and keep those comments coming. Your engagement means a lot to us. Now, let's delve into today's business idea. Making money through print on demand using Canva templates. Creating custom t-shirts with Canva is an exciting venture, offering a pathway to express creativity and potentially turn a passion into profit. In this video, I will guide you through the step-by-step process, from selecting a template to selling your unique designs on popular print-on-demand platforms. Step 1. Launch Canva. Start your t-shirt design journey by opening Canva through the website or the mobile app. If you don't have an account, sign up to access a full range of design tools and templates. Step 2. Choose a t-shirt. Template. Navigate to Canva's Templates section. Use the search bar to find t-shirt templates or explore available options for inspiration. Step 3. Select a free template. Canva offers various t-shirt templates, including some in the Canva Pro version. Choose a free template aligning with your design vision and project requirements. Step 4. Personalize the design. Click on your chosen template to enter the Canva editor. Customize your t-shirt design by adding text, images, shapes, and more. Utilize Canva's features to adjust colors, fonts, and sizes to suit your style. Step 5. Download in PNG format. After completing your design, before you click download, set image dimensions. Ensure your image dimensions is around 4,000 by 5,000 pixels and are suitable for t-shirt printing. Click download. Choose PNG for a high-quality image, ensuring a transparent background for colored t-shirts. Step 6. Choose a print-on-demand platform. Select a platform like Redbubble, Etsy, or Printful. Each has unique features and interfaces. In this video, I used Redbubble. Step 7. Upload your design. Follow the platform's instructions to upload your t-shirt design, selecting t-shirt type and providing details like pricing. Step 8. Preview and adjust. Utilize the platform's preview feature to make adjustments, ensuring your design aligns with your vision. Step 9. Publish your product. Once satisfied, publish your t-shirt. Set pricing considering production costs, platform fees, and profit margin. Step 10. Market your t-shirts. Actively market beyond the product listing. Leverage social media, create engaging content, and explore collaborations. Step 11. Monitor sales and engagement. Keep a close eye on t-shirt sales and engagement using platform analytics. Pay attention to feedback for potential improvements. By following these steps, you can confidently navigate the process of creating, publishing, and selling t-shirts using Canva templates and print-on-demand platforms. Whether you're a seasoned designer or a creative enthusiast, this guide empowers you to turn your ideas into wearable art. Let's embark on this journey together. Check the link below for samples from the store Sister Success opened last week. If you have a store, comment and share for inspiration. Don't forget to like, share, and comment. See you in the next video.